Hello again. We're stepping into day 2 of our ice cream truck business plan. We're business owners, and after researching for day 1, you should now have a list of the products that you want to sell. You know what your inventory will be. That means you should know, and if you don't, you can figure it out, how much of each product you will have. And you should know how much total money you spent on your supplies so far, which should not be more than $100. We're working with a $100 budget. And so, as we move forward now, we want to figure out how we're going to make a profit. A profit means that we're going to have made more money than we spent on the supplies. So maybe you didn't spend quite $100. That's okay. Maybe you spent exactly $100 or really close to it. Your goal is, I want to make more than $100 because I've already spent that much money. So today the task is, how much will you charge for each item? And that is going to take a little bit of work on our part, because if you carefully researched, you probably noticed a lot of your items came in a box. They're individual items. And so we need to know how much these individual items actually cost. So I'll use this as an example. I went to Walmart.com and I found one brand of ice cream sandwich. In that box, there were 12 ice cream sandwiches. The total price for the whole box of sandwiches was $2.56. So if I use one of my math operations, I can figure out how much one sandwich would cost. I'll give you a moment to think about it. If we want to know how much one sandwich costs, and we know the total amount, and we know that there are 12 sandwiches, what operation would we use to figure out the cost of one sandwich? Hopefully, after you've given it some thought, you would agree that we would use division. We're going to take the total price divided by 12. So you might, if you have a calculator handy, find this to be a good time to use it. If I take my calculator and I type in 2.56, $2.56, divided by 12, it equals a number that says 0.2133333. There's lots of threes there. But the first 2 digits after the decimal point would be an amount in cents. So $2.56 divided by 12 tells me that each sandwich is about 21 cents. So if I want to make a profit when I'm selling my ice cream sandwiches, I don't want to charge people 21 cents. I want to choose a price amount that is going to earn me some money. So I might say that the price for ice cream sandwiches would be 50 cents. That's more than 21 cents. I know that if I sell all 12 ice cream sandwiches for 50 cents, I'm going to make more than $2.56. And that's what I can figure out with my calculator as well. I can type in 0.50, that's 50 cents, times 12. If I sell each ice cream sandwich for 50 cents and I sell all 12 of them, I'm going to make $6. And I paid $2.56. I made more money than I spent. That's our goal. We want to make a profit. So it is going to be important, and it's going to take a little time and dedication to look at your items and decide, how much am I going to sell each ice cream sandwich or each popsicle for? I can't just look at my total price and say, oh, I want to charge $3. Because we have to remember there are 12 sandwiches in that box. So look at your products carefully. Some might have 6, some might have 8, some might have 12. Maybe you got a bulk size, meaning there's a lot in that box for that particular product. So look carefully, because you want to make a profit. The other thing, the other avenue you could pursue is, with the same example, you could say, well, if I spent $2.56, I'm going to say I want to make this much money. So I might say, well, I want that to be $5. I want to make the price for that box $5 instead of $2.56 because I know $5 would be a profit. So $5 divided by 12. This would actually then tell me how much should I charge for each ice cream sandwich. So I can type that in again, 5. I wouldn't need the decimal point since it's $5 even, or I could type in 5.00 divided by 12 equals 0.41666666, lots of sixes in a row. So that tells me my price should be about 41 cents, which would be a really kind of odd price. So you might change it to 40 cents, 45 cents, 50 cents. You want to figure out the price so that you can make a profit. So that's just for one of my products, however. If I bought more than one box, that's fine. I can use the same information to help me figure that out. But as soon as I go to the next item on my list, popsicles, the price might be different and the amount in each box might be different. So if you go back, you might make some small changes. For example, if you just looked at a container of ice cream, you might not know how many scoops you're going to get out of that. For this project, it might be a little difficult. So instead of ice cream, just flavor by flavor, you might go back and look at products more like ice cream sandwiches or popsicles or individual items. So this is where you'll perhaps use a calculator, and that's okay. It's going to be several calculations, but it's important because for our ice cream truck business, we want to make money. So we don't just want to say, oh, well, 21 cents, that's going to allow me to make all $2.50 back. That's true, but we want to make a profit. We want to make some money. So have fun with your calculations. Good luck. Let me know if there's any way I can help you in this process. Hope you're enjoying it, thinking of some warmer days and some delicious ice cream. And we will be back with another part of this assignment tomorrow.